Hello and welcome to episode 24 of We Bought a Fixer Upper. We're going to go over some of these updates that we've had. As you can see, there is some drywall that has been installed outside of this bedroom, and they started on some of the insulation in here. We definitely need some insulation so we can block the sound from the bedroom to the kitchen there. And so they'll be coming back this week to finish up with all the drywall in the house. These drywall guys are no joke. They come in and they just knock everything out. So we've got this part done over here in the foyer. All of this is cleaned up for the closet and half bathroom. And then, yeah, again, so they'll be coming in and doing all this. The windows on the sides there, those will be boarded up, covered, and then we'll have a window in the center. That's where the sink will be. So that's what's going on with the kitchen. We'll go take a peek upstairs at the bathroom that my husband is working on. He is doing all of this himself. This was, a last minute project, and so we didn't want to add more of a price line to the budget here. So anyway, this is how it's coming along. He's got the tub in. He's put some of the framing up. That will be ready. He's got to put some, I think he's got to put some more insulation. Yes, so right here is where the cat got stuck in episode 2. If you remember, when he was a little kitten. He's not so little anymore. He can't get stuck in there now. So anyway, here's the tub. He had these little, what is this called, a niche. He got 2 of them on either side, and then he's going to tile the tub on the top like he did down in the basement. So we are going to go take a look outside. We had somebody request on the page, on the YouTube page, they would like to see the backyard as far as our view and some of the stuff that we've done out there. So we're going to go out there and check that out. And of course my husband's like, the yard is a mess. The entire house is a mess right now. Let's be realistic. So, toilets, they belong on the back porch, right? We're gonna go out here. It's actually not too terribly cold today. We have been burning some wood out here. There's our old stairs. My brother has some sort of torch thing that he's gonna come cut this up. He loves fire, so he's excited to come get rid of this for us, because this was supposed to be removed last February. So anyway, here is the outside structure that we're still not exactly sure what we're going to do. We want to put like a pad of concrete right there and just I would love for that to be screened in. That would be fantastic. But here is our backyard. Burning wood right there. Oh, that tree is leaning. There was another tree that fell and messed up the edge of the dock, or the walkway down there. And then this tree, oh gosh, that is leaning more. My husband just pointed that out the other day. He said that tree looks like it's leaning more, and most likely it's going to fall, and that's going to cause a lot more damage than the first one that fell. So this will be fun. Thankfully, our boat is not out there at the dock, because my parents moved 8 houses down and they needed a boat, and we needed to put some money towards the renovation. So they have it now. They bought it from us, and then the jet skis are in the shop. So the tree that fell before, here it is. Or no, I'm sorry. There's the tree that fell before. Dominion came and chopped that up, put that over to the side for us. This tree that we had over here was dead, so they went ahead and cut that up for us. But of course we are responsible for the removal. And here's our fire pit that was gorgeous when we first did it, but yeah, now it's starting to get kind of overgrown. And what we want to do is put some pavers, and of course we have a chair that turned over whenever there was a bad storm out here. And but this is our view in the cove. We live in a nice, quiet, comfy little cove that goes out to the big part of the lake, and this part goes to the end right there. So it's really nice during the summer. A lot of people come riding through here, and they'll be skiing, and so it's a lot of boat and people watching when we sit out here by the water. It's really nice. For my birthday party this year, we got a giant water slide, slip and slide, and set that up. And that was for the adults. My kids enjoyed it too, but that was for the adults. And then this is looking back at the house. So if you remember from previous videos, it's already been quite the transformation. So anyway, stay updated. Oh God, that is leaning. Okay. Our next video, that tree might not be there, and the dog might not be there either. So stay tuned for further updates. We'll see you next time.